Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today let's have a look at ASM or Assemble token itself. So as of now it is called Assemble AI, as you can see here, and this was a massive rebrand. So back in the days they were known as Assemble protocol. Now it is AI news agent, and they just had a massive you can say overhaul, and now it is a massive rebrand of the new token. Now their website doesn't work, but they do have this website called ns3.ai. So now it is crypto insight generated by AI. So it went from payment protocol, I believe, to the news protocol. I'm not sure how that happened. Now they will now they will change the web3 journalism, as you can see here, and I'm not sure how to respond to this actually. But AI itself now is a buzzword, so maybe they are hoping that the token will get more attraction from this. I'm not sure how is it, but again, as you can see here, they have trended over on 100k crypto news, trend on over 10,000 crypto assets, and it covers most of the languages as well, as you can see here. And okay, so it seems pretty interesting, I think. If we look at their web app, this is it, as you can see here. You can actually get a lot of news from here if you try to tweak it and change the settings, and it is very interesting. So basically, as of now, it seems like that it is a news aggregator, and it is using AI to uh, basically get the top news and make summaries out of it. As you can see here, you can actually check the daily market update. It covers various things. The first one is the most published news, which is going to be, of course, as of now, around, as you can see here, what is happening in the market. After that, they also have current market trend. Bitcoin remains a range between 100k and 110k, so it's not that in depth, but it is a news. And they also cover regulations and policy as well. They have technology and innovation. So Coinbase just partnered with JP Morgan Chase, as you can see here. After that, they have institutional investor news. They have market forecasts and expert opinions. Crypto content market analysis highlights Bitcoin's established 4-year cycle pattern, so indicating possibly surpassing 200k in 2025. Okay, so it seems interesting. After that, they have, okay, so this exchange was hacked, which is over 81 million in funds stolen. That's a lot. So this is their daily news, and after that, these are the separate news that they are aggregating most likely. So I'm actually not sure how this changes the token itself. I'm not sure what the utility of the token is, because this is the token, as you can see here. This is the if we go here, it doesn't mention any utility for the token. I try to check it, and if we go to the use cases, it doesn't mention anything here as well. So I'm not sure how it will impact the ASM token in the future. But looking at the ASM itself, it's doing pretty good, I think, after the rebrand. So the rebrand happened back in it actually happened on, let's see, it happened around 1 year ago, as you can see here. So it's happened somewhere around here. So the rebrand happened here. Right after the rebrand, the token actually tanked a lot. It went from 4 cent to as low as 1.2 cent, as you can see, and after that it has been recovering ever since, and it actually ended up hitting 8 cent as well. That was a massive run, as you can see here. Now looking at their roadmap, I think that could actually help us if they want to do it. So if we look at their roadmap, they have around launch of the point to ASM swap system. They have planned launch of the ASM based PR news system. Okay, so basically I think this should somehow help ASM. Again, launch of the BTC Insight feature, that could be interesting expansion. So I think one of the utilities that they are most likely going with is News Plus or something like that, where ASM token should be required to actually get the subscription, something like that. That is a great utility for the token, I think. Anyways, looking at itself, they are planning to upgrade to new search engine, so that's pretty good. They are planning a lot of things, but I'm not sure that it seems like that this project is just based on whatever is hot in the market. So back in 2024, AI was pretty hot and they jumped on to it right away, as you can see here. So I cannot trust this project. I don't think that the team is that much legit. Of course they are working hardly, they just launched this, but I think their commitment is unclear as of now. So now looking at the token itself, it has a max supply of 1.5 billion. Great, and most of it and everything is in the circulation, so that's another plus point. This is their app. They have a massive downloads of over 1 million plus. That is a lot. Anyways, they also have iOS app as well. I just want to mention it. Now moving to the token itself. Now if we look at the performance of the token, this is when the token started to pump, and this was back in 2021 bull run. And again, if we look at the market cap, actually let's see if it comes out. So I'm not sure what they did, but because of the application. Okay, so this is how the market cap looks like. It doesn't even show the market cap it had before. Anyways, going ahead, so this is how it looks like. I think as of now the token in the past has performed in different bull runs, and I think if the market goes up, there is a high possibility that the coin will go up. But again, looking at the rebrand and how the team is doing, I'm not sure how it will perform in the long term. But it has had it actually ended up hitting as you can see here, as high as 18 cent, and it actually ended up hitting as high as 8 cent after the rebrand. So I think we can expect at least a move as high as 8 cent in this current run if the market goes up, because it has performed in the past even after the rebrand. So if they deliver on their roadmap, I think the token should go up, at least from what it looks like. It again, the utility of the token is still unclear, so I think that may not be good. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.